salvation strap. 3 black male adults cited exiting the building. Air unit at the scene. Requesting backup. Dispatch reporting 503. Suspect to control.
The fuck you doing?
Reporting a 983. Suspect in possession of prohibited
Shut
chemicals.
up, you fucking weak
Proceed
cunt.
with caution. Male adult teen fleeing the area. ATL alert. Deploy the advance. At 415 on Grove Street in Davis. Members of the Ballers gang involved. Deadly force is authorized.
Sir, hello. Can you please shut up? Don't look at me. Hey, don't look at me. I will shoot you with my bubble gun. Hey, don't.
Why not?
You do not have my copyright. Will I be on the picture?
No, fuck off.
Okay, better. If I were on the picture, I will clap you. Hey! What's happening? No, police. What do you want, man? What do you want? Do you want to die? I can kill you. Stick in my bubbles. Why are you following me?
Requesting backup for a possible national security threat at Strawberry Corner.
Suckers! Right here, fool, right here. Hey, ballers, what's up now? Ball, less. Hey, ballers, fuck you. Hey, you Bato punks. Hey, you SA, Bato punks. And Marcos, bitch.